है मेरे पास। गुजारे से ना आया हूँ, जिस साल का ना आया हूँ उस साल का उस साल। अच्छा, तो मैं ही सोच रहा था कि यार चलो स्टूडेंट लाइफ स्टाइल बता दिया, जॉब्स के बारे में अपना ओपिनियन दे दिया, जॉब्स जो कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में, और कितना चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है फिर सब कुछ मैनेज करना। तो फिर भी कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे मैनेजर्स होते हैं, या मतलब, और उनके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। तो आई विल नेवर डिस्करेज डूइंग जॉब, पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स, नेवर एवर, नेवर एवर डिस्करेज। In fact, I think like it should be done, but it should not be prioritized. Instead of 3 4 hours, you can spend 1 hour per day, or maybe 2 hours, according to a proper plan. That you don't let any other thing get disturbed, and it is pretty much possible. Yes. Yes, this video is in particular for the opportunities, job opportunities in Italy. You can, I will title it something like this. So, what I have observed, or I have come to hypothesize is simple, even more important than knowing the language, is that get admission in a bigger city, in a university which is situated in a bigger city, then you will get the job very very easily, not just easily, very very easily, as compared to smaller countries, oh sorry, smaller cities. So it is common sense, but no one tells you that, or we should even think of it ourselves. We're just so much on that you should know the language. Yes, you should know the language. But I have met many Pakistanis, many Indians, many of like my friends of friends type persons, even my friends who don't know the language, and they are doing jobs because they are in Bologna, they are in you can say Milan, Rome, Turin. So bigger the city, bigger the. I'm specifically talking about delivery jobs, because delivery jobs don't require that much language. So they only require a person with a bike. That's it. Because in bigger cities there are many orders, like in Lahore, Food Panda is very busy because the population is very high, and they kept ordering. Same is the case here. So the proper permanent jobs in restaurants, for them, language is very very necessary. One of my seniors, one of my most respectable brothers here in Pisa, is doing a full-time job in a restaurant, and of course he's earning very well. So for that, of course, you need to know the language. For after studies job, you need to know the language. But as far as while we are students is concerned, target bigger cities, target bigger cities. Even yes, bigger the city. Anyone I've talked to is agreeing on this very like yes, of course. In Bologna, almost everyone does it. Even in the bigger universities, they offer you a job inside university. Bigger the university, bigger the city, bigger the university, larger the opportunities everywhere. So this single point has made me speak so much, that target bigger cities if you want to earn right away, or if you want to learn at all until you know the language. And yes, that is, you can say, the whole 2 years. So in Pisa, for example, in my city, job opportunities are very low. Glovo is like Glovo. There are 4 5 delivery, you can say, services. Glovo, Just Eat, Deliveroo, and Uber Eats. And whenever in the first 2 3 months, I never went anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. So I only heard about Glovo, but I thought it is very like smaller or very less used. But when I went to Bologna, my friends were working for Glovo, and all I was hearing was Glovo, this, Glovo, that, Glovo. you can earn more in Glovo as compared to others. So I was like, what is Glovo? In pizza, Glovo is very very uncommon. Just Eat is more common. Andho mein Kana Raja and Just Eat is nowhere common in bigger cities. So you're getting my point. In pizza, it is hard to find such jobs like which don't require language that much. So if you are very much willing to do a part-time job, Target, Milan, Rome, Turin, Bologna, and some other Naples, and yes, best of luck. That is it. This was the main point I wanted to talk about today. Ciao.